Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Charlotte. We all got dreams, right? Big, massive dreams of seeing the world. But then that little thing called money pops up, and it's like a reality check. But hold up, I'm here to tell you, don't you dare give up on those travel dreams. Today, we're diving deep into the world of travel hacks. We're talking about saving serious cash so you can experience more. Get ready, because things are about to get interesting. All right, first things first, let's talk dates. Airlines jack up prices during peak season. But guess what? We're smarter than that. Off-season travel, my friends, that's where the magic happens. Fewer crowds, cheaper flights, and deals on accommodation. Maybe consider that shoulder season. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. Be open to new destinations. Use flight comparison websites, play around with the dates, and see what pops up. You might be surprised where you end up and save a ton of money. I remember wanting to go to Greece in the summer. Prices were through the roof. So I got flexible with my dates and ended up in Portugal in the spring. Gorgeous weather, delicious food, and I saved a bunch of money. Flexibility, my friends, it's the name of the game. Let's move on to the next hack. Okay, let's talk about where you're gonna sleep. Hotels can drain your bank account. But fear not, my budget-savvy travelers, there are alternatives. Hostels, my friends, hostels. Think of them as social hubs with budget-friendly beds. You meet people from all over the world, share stories, and maybe even make some lifelong travel buddies. Plus, they often have kitchens so you can cook your own meals. Boom, more money saved. Vacation rentals are where it's at. Websites like Airbnb and VRBO have exploded in recent years. You can find anything from a cozy studio apartment to a sprawling villa, often for less than a hotel room. And for the ultimate budget-friendly accommodation hack, let me introduce you to house sitting. Websites like Trusted House Sitters and Nomador connect house sitters with homeowners all over the world. You get a free place to stay, and you get to cuddle with a cute dog or cat. It's a win-win. All right, let's talk about packing. Overpacking is not your friend. It leads to extra baggage fees, back pain, and stress. We're about to become minimalist packing ninjas. The key is versatility. Choose clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Think neutral colors, basic tees, a couple pairs of pants or shorts, and a versatile jacket or sweater. Trust me, you can pack for a week-long trip with just a carry-on bag. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. It saves space and helps prevent wrinkles. Packing cubes are also a game changer. Do laundry during your trip. Most hostels and vacation rentals have laundry facilities. Remember, less is more when it comes to packing. Okay, now let's get to the fun stuff. Exploring your destination. You don't need to spend a fortune on expensive tours and attractions. Some of the best experiences are absolutely free. Get those walking shoes ready. First up, nature trails. Most cities have beautiful parks and green spaces just waiting to be explored. Pack a picnic lunch, grab a map, and get lost in the beauty of nature. It's a great way to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and enjoy some fresh air. Many museums offer free admission days or discounted rates. Check out local events like festivals, markets, or concerts. Take advantage of free walking tours. It's a great way to learn about the city's history, architecture, and hidden gems from a local perspective. All right, let's talk about food. No trip is complete without indulging in some local delicacies. But eating out for every meal can quickly drain your travel fund. Fear not, my fellow foodies. We're about to unlock the secrets to eating well on a budget. First up, embrace the grocery store. Cooking your own meals is one of the best ways to save money on your travels. Most hostels and vacation rentals have kitchens, so you can whip up delicious and affordable meals using local ingredients. Check out the local markets. Farmers markets, street food stalls, and small grocery stores often offer fresher and cheaper produce. Pack your own snacks and drinks. Airport and tourist area prices can be outrageous. Pack a reusable water bottle, some granola bars, fruit, or nuts to avoid those overpriced temptations. Don't be afraid to get creative with your meals. Sandwiches, salads, and pasta dishes are all easy and affordable options. Eating well on a budget is all about planning ahead and making smart choices. Let's wrap this up with our final thoughts. And there you have it, my friends. 5 travel hacks that will help you see the world without breaking the bank. Remember, travel doesn't have to be expensive. It's about prioritizing experiences over possessions, embracing new cultures, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your next adventure today. And hey, while you're at it, hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who are ready to travel the world on a budget. Let me know in the comments what your favorite travel hack is, and don't forget to check out the description for some awesome travel deals. Until next time, keep exploring.